On your time, John. My name is Amit. Today we are going to talk about Salesforce career option and the Salesforce job market. So let's see and understand what is Salesforce. Salesforce is one of the most popular and powerful cloud-based CRM system. Over the year, it has evolved and grown into the go-to-market option for the small, medium, and the large-scale industry. Now talk about is the Salesforce is a good option for your career in 2024? Then I will be say yes, because Salesforce is number one CRM, and as per the couple of surveys, Salesforce is going to produce 1.6 trillion new business revenue by 2026 and going to produce millions of jobs. So let's understand what all option we have to start into the Salesforce as your career. So if you see any program or any project, you will be see typical all this position: program manager, enterprise architect, program manager at the Salesforce team, business analyst, functional consultant, UI designer, dabs, admin, tech specialist, and architect. So typically all this kind of position you can see into Salesforce as well. So let's talk about Salesforce admin. Who is Salesforce admin? Salesforce admin is a starting position for many career into the Salesforce. It's allow a understanding of the platform and how it's being used within the organization and industry. The duty includes customized Salesforce and maintaining and nurturing the org. So they are the responsible for Salesforce org health. They are the one who take care the day-to-day activity into the Salesforce. So now talk about how their career can be looked into the Salesforce and how they can grow into the Salesforce industry. So as I say, Salesforce admin is that starting point of Salesforce career, and then they can either can go to this development track, then become a Salesforce developer, senior developer, tech lead, or the Salesforce architect. If they don't love the coding, they might go into the consulting. They can learn about consulting, talk to the business, become a senior consultant, and over the time they can go to the self solution architect track. And if they don't want to be too much technical and near to that, then they can go to the business one, where they can have a, understand the business into the deep and go to the program management and the program manager level. Now talk about that another job position, that is the Salesforce developer. Salesforce developer is one of the most demanding skills into the Salesforce industry. Salesforce developers are the ones who used to write the code on the Salesforce platform using the Apex, JavaScript, Aura, and Lightning Web Component. Salesforce developer position is named as one of the top 25 job into the world. So they are the one who actually come on the Salesforce platform when the configuration does not work, do the coding into the platform and make implement the Salesforce business implement the business requirements. Now I'm talking about what the career path they can choose. Definitely admin is that base for all the position. They have to learn about Salesforce basic platform, then they can learn the coding, then either they can go to the development track and become a senior developer, tech lead, Salesforce architect, and many more. And over the time they can also become a director of that architectures, or they can become a director of technical department, or they can take a consulting route and become a Salesforce consultant, senior consultant, and the solution architect based on the expertise and the domain knowledge. Now, if you are already a Salesforce developer and want to see how I can earn more into the Salesforce ecosystem, then first thing first, learn the Salesforce basic. Become expert in Apex, Flow, and Lightning Web Component, which is core. And then I will say become a Salesforce industry expert. Learn MuleSoft, Omni Studio, Salesforce Marketing Cloud, and CPQ. At least take one of that as your expertise, so that you have the extra knowledge apart from the basic knowledge of the Salesforce development. So if you have a specific domain knowledge, that will be make you specialize into that area, and that will be help you to grow in your career and having opportunity to learn or earn more into the ecosystem. And definitely data cloud and AI, if you learn about that, that will be put extra advantage on your resume and on your profile and get certified, so that way you can earn more into the Salesforce ecosystem. So let's understand what is Salesforce functional consultant. They are the one who know how, and they not only help the business to implement their requirement, but also suggest the industry best practices. A Salesforce function consultant is responsible for creating a business design document for the whole set of the requirement for the Salesforce team and being able to suggest the process improvement based on the Salesforce best practices. Now there is a technical consultant as well. The technical consultant are those who know the Salesforce platform in the team so that they can support the best practices, suggest on the process level, and also can help to understand what is possible into the Salesforce and what is not. Someone could be managing an expert at the integration area, someone is expert in LWC, and someone can be handling the CPQ, EPC, all those kind of domain. So they are the expert. And a functional consultant is responsible for creating the functional design document for the whole set of the requirement of the Salesforce team and also provide the best practices based on the Salesforce. Now, the next role is the Salesforce business analyst. So Salesforce business analyst is the one who wear the multiple hat. They are the one who have the deep expert knowledge into the Salesforce product. They understand how to document. They are the one who do the people management as well, and they do the project management, understand the business process, and suggest the best practices to the customer, and analyze the system and document all of this and pass it to the developers to get that project implemented. And now other job is the Salesforce architect. Salesforce architect is one who actually do lots of stuff on the platform like solutioning and do the communication between the stakeholder, get the requirement and pass the requirement to the developer. So communication is a key. So Salesforce architects should know the communication skills so that they can convert the business requirement into the technical and talk the technical word to the business into the functional way. And they are the one who suggests the different integration pattern, how to do, where to do, and what is the best practices. And they are the one who also know about the DevOps and suggest the environment strategy, DevOps implementation, branching, and release management. They advise all of this. They don't do all this on the DevOps standpoint, but they suggest and take a look on a high level. And they are the one who actually have the multiple cloud architecture. They know multiple cloud, how the multiple different cloud can integrate together and work together, and what is the best practices. So they are responsible for them, and definitely whenever needed they are the responsible to take a hand and make their hand dirty into the code as well. So architect is one who help to design, deliver the solution to enterprise customer. The primary role and responsibility of architect is a recommended Salesforce best practice, meet the business requirement, provide high-level solution, artifact communication with the business stakeholder. So these are the only roles available into the Salesforce ecosystem. No, there are other as well. So one is the designer. Designer work across the stream and the system have a more consistent, considerable additional responsibility to see how Salesforce will be fit in the overall program ecosystem. And there are UI designer. They are responsible for making the screen, UI, UX, and Figma board so that client customer know what they Salesforce architect or business unit is planning to develop for the customer. Program management, they are the responsible for managing the program delivery, creating the role to delivery plan, managing project risk, challenges, and resourcing. And enterprise architect, who is the responsible for connecting the different system integrations and non-Salesforce system as well. And the DevOps. So DevOps is also one of the growing roles and skill set into the Salesforce system. There are multiple positions are there: release manager, deployment peoples who work on the different tool like Copado, AutoRapid, Salesforce DevOps centers, building the custom script using the Salesforce CLI on the GitLab or GitHub. So there are multiple more option job roles are there, but this is what is the core of any Salesforce project. Apart from that, there are some more positions are there into the ecosystem: product owner, program managers, and all. So they are also responsible for different jobs. Now let's talk about why Salesforce career is in a demand. So definitely future scope and the best place to work. and work from home opportunities are available into the Salesforce ecosystem. And the demand, there are high demand for the Salesforce developer, Salesforce admin, and Salesforce architect into the market, which actually lead you to get more money as compared to other jobs. And one thing and the best thing which I like is the Salesforce community, which always open to help the people to grow you into your career and helping them to learn from them and networking. And definitely the one and last, that is money. You always have more money into the Salesforce as compared to other technology. Now, how to select your career path? We talk about different position. Now, first thing first, like if I have lots of roles available, how I will decide what career path is suitable to me? I will say do the self evaluation. Into the self evaluation, find it out what suit you best. And are you a developer? Do you like to code or you don't like to code? You like management work, you have a consulting skill, you have a business analyst skills. So decide what is your core, what is your key area, and where you find more interest, and then start study into the trailhead. Learn, do the certification, take a next step, and get some experience, and start working with your seniors and learn more. And then decide your career path based on everything. Okay, I decided I want to be a developer, I did the study, I'm able to understand the code, I'm able to do all this solutioning. There might be people who are actually very good into understanding business, there are people who are very good in coding. So you need to decide what career path you want to go. And then definitely once you decide your career path, go in a team. So this is the key to select your career into the Salesforce ecosystem. I hope this will be help you. And how to find your first job into the Salesforce? So first of all, learn Salesforce, get the knowledge, update your LinkedIn profile, and keep your LinkedIn profile up to date. Lots of the recruiter keep an eyes on the LinkedIn to get find their resources from the market. And the find the recruiter, if you find any local recruiter in your area, talk to them. They will be market your profile and see whatever the jobs open nearby, so that will be help you to get a new job or get your interview scheduled. And find a consulting company, go to their website, go to the career page, apply over there, and see if they have any opening, they can help you to find a job. So go to the different vendors, try to apply and see what they can do for you. And definitely last but not least, get ready for the interview. Find it out the different interview questions based on your experience, see what you know. And whenever you're going for interview, take a note of the questions. If you clear in the first time, that's great. If not, just whatever the question interviewer is asking, take a note, do the study at a home, and get ready to answer them into the next time. So this all are the key I will say from my side. And stay connected with the Epics Hour and join us and subscribe. And thank you for being a part of the Salesforce Epics Hour family.